Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Hansen Lane. I have a lot of new people here, and I just wanted to touch base with you to invite you to this free training I'm doing. It's in 3 sleeps, and you can sign up at jennyhansenlane.com/learn, and I'll put it also in the description of this video. This is essentially a free event that I'm teaching. I'm going to show you the 3 secrets of self-publishing that I have been able to discover from my journey. You can see here that I've crossed $120,000 in book sales. This is my ads account. This doesn't include anything that's organic. And so this has been really fun to document the journey and also help people not do it alone. I think that's a really big problem with self-publishing, is it can feel really isolating. So this Thursday we have our live event, and you need to register before the doors close, and it will be live at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll be, walking you through a framework. It will be about 45 minutes. I know that you'll get some takeaways from this. I'll be teaching a method called bankable books, and it's essentially just the 3 steps to get started. And I'm really excited for this. A lot of you already publish. A lot of you are doing different types of things for passive income. And so this is just to provide additional support if that's something that you're interested in. So some of the other things we'll be talking about on here, or on this particular call, is ways that we can work together further. So primarily I want to give you a bonus for coming to this. I'm giving you 2 goodies for coming to this. One is going to be a training, and the other is going to be an asset, something you can publish on Amazon. So if you have not started publishing on Amazon, I would love for you to come. If you are struggling to get more leadway with your book income stream, then this free training will probably give you some takeaways to start implementing. And you're welcome to ask questions on this call as well as I'm teaching. So I'd really love for you to join. When you click the link here, it will take you to the actual sign up right here to register. So you'll go ahead and put in your email address and your name, and then you'll receive a private link for the training. So you can see here, we've got the training and we've got question portal. So you can go ahead and ask me questions prior to the training. And then I have a free interior for you guys. And then I have another actual training that I'm really excited about. So this is how do you know if this is for you? This is for you if you want more time freedom. That's what building a book income stream has done for me. It's giving me more time and freedom. So this is this Thursday, and it's live at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're not able to make it live, I'll have the replay available for 72 hours. And you still get some of the bonuses for signing up. But I will have a special bonus for people who are on the live call. So I would love for anybody that's interested to join us and start creating more of a lifestyle that gives you your time back. That's ultimately what's most important for me and the people that I serve. That's what I want for you, is more time freedom, more relationship freedom, more resources to do what you need to do in life, right? To hit those goals. So don't hesitate to sign up and let me know what questions you have. Love you guys. Peace out.